Hi there, students. Deference, a noun, an uncountable noun. Deferential, the adjective. Deferentially, the adverb. Okay, deference is respect and politeness. So you should always treat old people with deference, with respect, with politeness. Yeah. Deferential to an adjective, showing respect. So a lawyer should always be deferential when talking to the judge. He or she should be respectful. Okay, so deferential, respect, showing respect for another person because of that person's experience, their knowledge, their age, their power. Yeah? Very often, in deference to, showing respect. So, I wouldn't have done it the way my father wanted to do it, but in deference to him, we did it that way. It was a perfectly good way, I suppose. Okay, so deference, courteous respect for somebody else's opinion, for somebody else's wishes, for somebody else's judgment. Yeah, you should treat people well. I think deferential goes more than being courteous. It's courteously showing respect for their opinion. It often gives the idea of recognition of their authority. Yeah. Um, so yes, I think you should show respect for your teacher, but deference. Well, deference goes a bit further. You could show deference for your teacher if you really respected them. Okay, and this is the idea. So deference, polite submission, polite respect. Okay, esteem. Normally, the esteem due to a superior or an elder. Notice you can also use this word deferential or deference, saying that somebody is trying to ingratiate themselves. Maybe they are going over the top, they're going too far. It becomes affected. So the waiter was so deferential and so obsequious. That I didn't really like him very much. I wish he had had more self-respect. Okay, so a deferential attitude is good, but don't go over the top. Yeah. So polite respect for someone because they are important. So he showed great deference to the professor who was extremely knowledgeable. Yeah. Um, uh, Out of deference to him, I bowed my head as he prayed. I don't believe in the same religion, but in deference to. Being respectful too, okay, but be careful because it can cut both ways. Um, People were always overly deferential to him, overly respectable, overly obsequious and humble. Okay, so it can cut both ways. So be careful how you use it. um, Okay, so let's find some synonyms very definitely. So deference, respect, regard, attention. I knew what he was saying I knew what he was saying was wrong, but out of deference to his feelings, I didn't say anything until he had finished. And then deference as well. The other idea is obedience, submission, yielding. Um, so maybe people have a deferential respect for authority. The dictator demanded absolute deference to his authority, obedience, compliance, complete submission, yeah, complete compliancy. Okay, submissiveness as well. So deference can talk about being respectful, or it can talk about being submissive as well, and that's the idea. This comes from the verb to defer to. Yeah, to act according to the wishes of someone is one of the meanings of to defer to. So, in deference to his important position, you should be respectful. Yeah. If you are with people of a different religion who are engaged in some sort of ritual, you should be respectful and deferent and show deference to their religion. You don't have to participate, but at least you need to be polite, yeah, and respectful and courteous. Okay, deference. Formality. I think I would give deference and deferential. I think I'm going to give them a 6 in formality. I think you could use them in an informal conversation. You might say respect, respectful, courteous, something like that. And then as to origin, this word comes from French déférence, meaning great respect or the willingness to carry out the wishes of others. And that itself comes from Latin de, away from, and fero, to bear or to carry or to suffer. So to suffer from, to suffer away from, to bear away from, I guess. Okay, so deference. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Deference.